All right, it's almost 9 p.m., the first of many installs this week.
Bam! Just like that. And that's direction state. Start all by hand first.
240 pounds.
If you work a few of them in on the same side, it makes it easier.
Well, and I'm one of those who turns my quarter-inch impact all the way down and runs these in the first time.
I'm so happy you said that.
Yes.
Oh man.
So good. They look really
We'll never
good.
be this clean again.
Oh no, I'm going to destroy these wheels. It's going to be awesome.
They're slick.
Thank you, Vision. Thank you, Todd. All the vehicles on Trails of SEMA this year will be running the Maxxis MT tire in a range of 35 to 40 inches. Apparently this tire works as well on the road as it does off the road. Round trip, this is a 5,000 mile trip. When you consider all the time we drive around Vegas.
You know, he's telling this to the guy that's like working on it. Yeah. I understand.
Yeah, it's going to be good. It's going to be real good. Takes a lot longer to fill up a 40 than a 37. A lot longer.
That's the downside of all of this, is the time that you spend filling your tires up because they're monster tires.
Yep,
Man, must be rough.
For my electric.
My air-powered, awesome impact is not good enough. Is that what you're saying the problem is?
Yeah. The problem is they're not consistent enough.
Dude, you used your arm on the second one.
First time every time.
He changed his technique. He changes his technique.
First time every time. And then for the second one, you rotate it around.
Well, the second one anyone can do.
And I don't understand why it's so accurate. I know why it's so accurate. It's because I own the heavy duty version of this, and it puts way too much torque on. This one's the medium duty and does just the right amount.
That's probably the problem with mine. It's too manly.
It's too something. 40-inch Maxxis RAZR MTs on 17-inch Vision B-Block Manx competitions. Same wheel as last year. They're silver though. The Jeep is definitely bigger. I'm super happy with the look. Gonna have to make some bump stop changes. A lot of work to go, and then we're on the road.